Hello and welcome you all. Myself Dhananjay Patil, lecturer, KK Institute of Pharmacy, Nashik. Today we are going to learn about vitamins. This is part 1. So in part 1 we are going to cover introduction to vitamins, history, biological importance of vitamins, classification of vitamins, functions, then dietary sources, then RDA, required dietary allowance or required dietary intake, and deficiency diseases. Vitamins. Vitamins are organic nutrients that are required in small quantities for a variety of biochemical functions, for normal maintenance of optimal growth and health, and which generally cannot be synthesized in the body and must be supplied by the diet. History. In ancient Egypt, feeding of patients with liver to prevent night blindness, now known as vitamin A deficiency. In 1749, the prevention of scurvy by citrus fruit was first discovered by the Scottish surgeon James Lind. Hopkins coined the term accessory factor to unknown and essential nutrients present in the natural foods. In 1913, active principles and amine isolated from rice polishing and later in yeast by Funk, which could be cure beriberi in pigeons. He coined the term vitamins, that is Greek vitalife, to the accessory factor with the belief that all the names were are amines. It was later realized that only few of them are amines. The discovery of vitamins and their sources. 1909, vitamin A, that is retinol, sources cod liver oil, vitamin B1, rice bran oil, then vitamin C, ascorbic acid, lemons, vitamin D, calciferol or cholecalciferol, cod liver oil, then vitamin B2, riboflavin from eggs, vitamin E, tocopherol from wheat germ oil, vitamin B12, cyanocobalamin from liver, vitamin K, phylloquinone from leucine, vitamin B5, pantothenic acid, liver, vitamin B7, biotin from liver, vitamin B6, pyridoxine from rice bran, vitamin B3, niacin from liver, vitamin B9, folic acid from liver. Biological importance of vitamins. Essential of growth, maintenance, and reproduction. Fat-soluble vitamins are required for normal and color vision, blood clotting, bone formation, and maintenance of membrane structure. Most of the water-soluble vitamins functions as coenzymes. Vitamin A and D acts as steroid hormones. Lack of vitamins in diet produce characteristic deficiency symptoms. Some drugs and compounds present in natural sources act as antivitamins. Some vitamins analog are used as drugs. Classification of vitamins. Vitamin classification chart. Vitamin can be classified into two forms: water soluble and fat soluble. Again, water soluble is again classified into two categories: non-B complex and B complex. Non-B complex contains ascorbic acid, that is vitamin C. B complex again divided into energy releasing, hematopoietic, and others. Energy releasing vitamins contain thiamine, vitamin B1, riboflavin, vitamin B2, niacin, vitamin B3, biotin, vitamin B7, pantothenic acid, vitamin B5, then hematopoietic, folic acid, then vitamin B12, cyanocobalamin, other pyridoxine, vitamin B6, pyridoxal, and pyridoxamine. Then fat soluble vitamin contains vitamin A in the form of retinol or beta carotenes, vitamin D in the form of cholecalciferol, vitamin K in the form of phylloquinone or menaquinone, vitamin E in the form of tocopherols. Water-soluble vitamins can dissolve in aqueous solutions. These are not stored in the body and can readily excreted. Used as cofactor by many enzymes. These are 9 water-soluble vitamins. Example: vitamin C and B complex vitamins. Fat-soluble vitamins can dissolve in lipid solution but not in aqueous solution. These are absorbed through the intestinal tract with the help of lipids or fat and stored in the body. These are 4 types of fat-soluble vitamins important in visions, bone formation, antioxidants, and blood clotting. Example: vitamin A, D, E, and K. Properties: water soluble vitamin. Solubility: these are water soluble. Then fat soluble, it is fat soluble. Absorption: absorption is simple in water soluble vitamin, and absorption is along with lipids in fat soluble vitamins. Storage: there is no storage of water soluble vitamin and fat soluble vitamin stored in liver. Excretion: water soluble vitamins are excreted, but fat soluble are not excreted. Excess intake causes non-toxic elements in water soluble vitamins and toxic effect in fat soluble vitamins. Deficiency manifests rapidly, manifests slowly. Treatment contains regular dietary supply fat soluble contains single large dose. Functions of vitamins. Vitamin A, named beta carotene. Active cofactors or cofactor or coenzymes are retinol and retinoic acid. Biochemical functions include conversion of light to neural signal. Physiological or cellular roles contain site. Retinoic acid for growth factor and for tissue growth. Vitamin B1, thiamine, thiamine diphosphate, TPP or TDP. Decarboxylation and decarbonylation is a biochemical function included in physiochemical role are energy production from carbohydrate nucleotide synthesis. Vitamin B2, riboflavin, FADH2, oxidation reduction, then energy production from foodstuff, lipid breakdown and synthesis. Vitamin B3, niacin, NADH and NADPH. NADH for oxidation reduction, energy production from foodstuff, lactic fermentation, then lipid synthesis. NADPH for oxidation reduction, synthesis of lipids, nucleotide and neurotransmitters. Antioxidation, then detoxification of drugs. Vitamin B5, pantothenic acid, coenzyme A. Biochemical function include acyl transfer, that is energy production from foodstuff, fatty acid synthesis. Vitamin B6 pyridoxine, pyridoxal phosphate PLP, transamination, racemization, decarboxylation, beta gamma elimination, then amino acid breakdown and glycogen breakdown. Vitamin B7 biotin, active cofactor is biotin, carboxylation, then glucose and fatty acid synthesis, leucine synthesis. Vitamin B9 or folic acid, tetrahydrofolate or THF, one carbon group transfer, then amino acid and nucleotide synthesis. Vitamin B12, cobalamin, coenzyme B12, intramolecular rearrangement, methyl transfer, nucleotide synthesis, amino acid metabolism, fatty acid breakdown, folic acid regeneration. Vitamin C, ascorbic acid, cofactor is ascorbic acid, proline hydroxylation reduction for collagen synthesis and antioxidation. Vitamin D, calciferol, calcitriol, gene expression for bone growth. Dietary sources of vitamins. Vitamin B1 food sources are whole grain, enriched grain, liver, pork, dried beans, nuts and seeds. Vitamin B2 soybeans, meat and poultry, liver and eggs, mushroom, milk, cheese, yogurt, while whole grain, enriched grain. Vitamin B3 mushrooms, peanut butter, meat, fish, poultry, whole grain, enriched grain. Vitamin B7 sweet potatoes, not non-fat milks, yogurt, peanuts, almonds, eggs, liver, soya, protein. The biotin contains in food can vary greatly. Vitamin B6, potatoes, bananas, 100% bran, instant oatmeal, meat, fish, poultry, liver, soybean, chickpeas, lentils, pistachio, nuts, sunflower seeds. Vitamin B12, milk, cheese, yogurt, fortified soya, or rice beverages. Meat, fish, poultry, liver, eggs, fortified soya fruits. Vitamin B9, asparagus, cooked spinach, Roman lettuce, Brussels sprout, beets, broccoli, corn, green peas, orange juice, bread, enriched pasta, wheat germs, liver, dried beans, soybean, chickpeas, lentils, sunflower seeds, flax seeds. Folic acid is a type of folate found in vitamin supplements and fortified foods. Vitamin C, citrus fruits such as oranges, grapefruit, and their juices. Kiwi, strawberries, mangoes, papaya, red, yellow, and green peppers. Broccoli, Brussels sprouts, tomatoes, raw, dark, leafy vegetables. Vitamin A from liver, some fishes, milk and cheese. Cantaloupe, pink grapefruit, tomatoes, broccoli, dark green leaf vegetables like spinach, wheat greens, and sweet corn. Dark oranges vegetable such as carrots and sweet potatoes. So, vitamin D, milk, fortified soy, and rice beverages. Fortified margarines. Some fish, eggs, organ meats, fish liver oil. Vitamin E, vegetable oils, avocados, leafy vegetables, wheat germ, sunflower seeds, some nuts, and peanut butter. Vitamin K, broccoli, soybean, dark green leafy vegetables such as kale, collards, turnip, beet greens, and spinaches. RDA or RDI, recommended dietary allowance or recommended dietary intake of vitamins. Vitamin B1, RDA for adult male is 1.2 milligram, vitamin B2 1.3 milligram, vitamin B3 16 milligram, vitamin B5 5 milligram, vitamin B6 1.3 to 1.7 milligram, vitamin B12 is 2.4 microgram, vitamin C is 90 micro millimeter, uh, microgram or milligram, vitamin A 900 microgram, vitamin D 10 microgram, vitamin E 15 milligram, vitamin K 120 microgram. These all are for per day intake. Deficiency diseases for vitamin B1, beriberi, Warkin syndrome, vitamin B2, araboflavisis, glossitosis, angular stomatitis, vitamin B3, pellagra, vitamin B5, paresthesia, vitamin B6, anemia, peripheral neuropathy, vitamin B9, megaloblastic anemia, and deficiency during pregnancy is associated with birth defect such as neural tooth defect, vitamin B12, megaloblastic anemia, vitamin C, scurvy, vitamin A, night blindness, hyperkeratosis, and keratomalacia, vitamin D, rickets, and osteomalacia. Vitamin E deficiency is very rare. Sterility in males and abnormality in females. Mild hemolytic anemia in newborns, infants. Vitamin K, bleeding, diathesis. Thank you so much.